Yeah, hands up. Can't have a good time like shillong, so that's what we gonna do. We do it like 1, 2, 3. We want it like. If I'm on the boat, we gon' know the side. And make it ain't worried about nothing. Rehabilitation is something worried about. Money decision making only worried about something. She worried about me, her nigga worried about. Come on, I wanna see her. She said, get inside me. I wanna feel you. So bring the animal right out of here. He love it, she love it. Especially when I come here. Come on, we do it like 1, 2. Follow my lead. Stop and say, they gon' take all my favorites in California. Cost better than money, we got that same bonus. Never been a. When they get up on my bitch like Apollonia, we in the hood, tight it like us. Car too fast, give a fuck about my. And my session next niggas so let me in. 1, 2, 3, we call it up. All my bitches got real head, chillin' with the top down. Give it up. Like I need you. I love y'all. Shillong, India, make some motherfucking noise.